ऑल सेट, शुरू करें? ओके, लेट्स डू इट। What is the advice you have ever received from your parent when you were about to board your first ever international flight? In Philippines, parents would say, never trust strangers, be wary, bring home some pasalubong. Whereas Indian parents would say, अपना देश अपना ही होता है, परदेश में 4 दिन बिता लो, वापस तो गांव ही आना है, साथ में रहो, थोड़े पैसे कम मिले तो क्या। हाँ माँ, कह के मैंने ये बात तब तो टाल दी थी, लेकिन दूर देश में बैठकर कभी ना कभी हम सब ने ये बात सोची होगी कि माँ सही थी। ओके, नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द फ्लिप साइड ऑफ द कॉइन। ये सब सोचते हुए मैंने एक बात लिखी थी कि उलझने पैदा करती हैं अक्सर नजदीकियां, दुआ करो यूं ही मुकम्मल रहे दूरियां। कभी कभी दूर रहना भी जरूरी होता है, घर से घर के लिए, अपनों से अपनों के लिए। Mabuhay, this is Moonlit Talk Show. Kamusta po? By now you must be knowing that I am in Metro Manila, Philippines, and it's nothing but the second home. If you are wondering how come I am here and why I am calling this my second home, you know, I always wanted to move to US, but destiny is above all your plans. It got me here, and after 1 month, I decided to learn this culture, the national language, which is Tagalog. The food. By the way, I love the chicken sisi. The most friendly and welcoming people. Not to mention their festivals. Ati Atihan, Sinulog, and Pinagbenga are the festivals you cannot miss if you ever visit Philippines. And Philippines has over 7,500 islands, stunning beaches, crystal clear water, white sand, and vibrant marine life. One fun fact, Philippines is the only country where Christmas starts in September. Filipinos are known for their kind nature, friendliness, and warm hospitality. You will feel welcomed. I felt like I am one of them. Okay, so what motivated me to start this talk show? Motivations kahi hain. We all have the stories that are unheard. It's an attempt to unveil those without any judgment. Another reason is related to India. You know, India's image has taken a shift in recent years, but there exist some strong influences that spread disinformation on social media. This is unfortunate. As an Indian, it is my responsibility to let the world see the real strength and influences of India. Let's watch this short video clip of India's Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
और ऐसे जो भी लोग हैं जो दुनिया में अपनी बात पहुंचा सकते हैं, उन सबसे मैं आग्रह करूंगा कि भारत के लोकतंत्र के इस सामर्थ्य को विश्व के सामने बड़े गर्व के साथ हमें प्रस्तुत करना चाहिए.
I'm giving my share to the nation. You give yours in whatever way possible. Let's join hands in this mission. So at the end, what can you expect from the upcoming podcast? The untold stories of not just mine, but the people from different nationalities, the cultural diversity, busting some common myths, exclusive quotes, language exchange, and the most important, my experience so far being in Philippines. We will soon be back with a new episode where we have invited an Indian friend and talked about his POV visiting Philippines for the first time. So stay tuned. We also have the Instagram where we'll be posting behind the scenes. Here is the handle. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is your host Om Singh signing off for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.
वो जो एज है पीपल आर हाई ऑन हार्मोन्स, सो जब ये काट देना वो जो एक सर्टेन एज है, ओके
पानी की बात कर रहा हूँ, फिर से वापस वही से शुरू हो जाए.
कॉफी अच्छी है।
शॉर्ट में करना, हाँ कॉफी रिकॉर्डर हो रहा है वैसे तो काट देंगे इस पे. This brings us to the end of
अरे रुक जा, मैं सुनाऊं.